Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the production base of wheel loaders in China. This loader is Mingyu J26. The whole machine is made of high-quality thick manganese steel. The overall height is 2.65 meters. It's suitable for operations in a variety of restricted height places. Bucket capacity 0.55 cubic meters. Unloading height is 3 meters. Thickened oil cylinder. Engineering tires are equipped with reduction axles. Articulated frame provides stable operation. Luxury cab has a wide vision. The cab has dual high and low speeds with running gears. The engine adopts Yuchai. Other engines and front-end attachments can be customized at will, which truly realize multi-functions in one machine.